Ever felt like your business phone system was holding you back, rather than helping you grow? You're not alone. Many businesses are searching for a solution that can keep up with their evolving needs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business phone systems to find out if there's something better than RingCentral. Understanding RingCentral. Brief overview. RingCentral has made a significant impact on the market with its cloud-based unified communications platform. It offers a range of features, including voice, video conferencing, messaging, and more. But is it the best option for every business? Key features: call forwarding, call recording, video conferencing, team messaging, integration with popular business apps. Limitations: potential for pricing to increase over time. Limited customization options for smaller businesses. Customer support may vary depending on plan. Exploring alternatives. Alternative 1. Competitor name. Unique selling points. How it compares to RingCentral in terms of features, pricing, and customer support. Real-world examples of businesses that have benefited from using this alternative. Alternative 2. Competitor name. Unique selling points. How it compares to RingCentral in terms of features, pricing, and customer support. Real-world examples of businesses that have benefited from using this alternative. Alternative 3. Competitor name. Unique selling points. How it compares to RingCentral in terms of features, pricing, and customer support. Real-world examples of businesses that have benefited from using this alternative. Key considerations when choosing a phone system. Scalability. How well does the system adapt to your business's growth? Integration. Can it integrate seamlessly with your existing tools and software? Reliability. How reliable is the system's uptime and call quality? Cost. What is the total cost of ownership, including upfront costs, monthly fees, and potential add-ons? Customer support. How responsive and helpful is the customer support team? Making the right choice. Factors to consider: business size, industry, specific needs and requirements, budget. Tips for choosing the best system. Research and compare different options. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Consider a free trial or demo to test the system firsthand. RingCentral is a popular choice, but it may not be the best fit for every business. There are several alternatives available with unique features and benefits. Key considerations when choosing a phone system include scalability, integration, reliability, cost, and customer support. Encourage viewers to research and compare different options. Offer additional resources, such as links to reviews or comparison articles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best phone system for your business is the one that meets your specific needs and helps you achieve your goals.